Welcome to another edition to Kassa Home Tips. So today we're going to discuss how to extend your water heater's lifespan and some maintenance tips. Some of the question people ask is, how long is a water heater's lifespan? From my experience, water heaters can work perfectly for decades or even more without any care, so they are easily neglected. But a few minutes of hot water maintenance once a year could prolong the life as well as the safety and efficiency of the water tank. Generally, in your home or most homes, there's a hot water tank that's run by gas or electric, and some homes might even have tankless water tank. Now that we're in my garage, let's go over the 7 basic layout of what I have in my gas water tank and some of the maintenance tips that I use for my home. So the first thing you're going to notice when you look at your water tank is the intake line and the outtake line. Usually the intake line is the cold water coming to the hot water tank, and the outtake line is the hot water that's been heated up that goes out back into the home. So right above me is the vent pipe. That being it's a gas water heater, it allows all the carbon monoxide to be pushed out of the house. And on this location, we have the TMP valve, which is a temperature and pressure valve. It has a very important job to make sure that if the water tank is too hot or has too much pressure, this valve will actually open up and release some pressure and some water to protect the tank from exploding. You could also check it to make sure things are not rusting, as well as water is not leaking coming out of this TMP valve. Now we're at the bottom part of the water tank. If you have a gas water tank, you will see a gas line coming into the water tank with the red shutoff valve. Also, at the bottom is the controller. This is where you control your temperature. If it's too hot or too cold, you can come to the controller and adjust it to the appropriate temperature. The main cause of water tank failure is the buildup of sediments. Right next to the controller is a drain valve. You should be connecting a garden hose to the valve, drain out as much as you can until you no longer see the brown sediments. Finally, at the bottom of the water tank is the drain pan. Here at my house, I have it connected and it's actually pushing water just in case the tank fails and water starts leaking. It will push water away from the house to the garage into the driveway. The average lifespan of a water tank is usually 5 to 15 years. It all depends on the maintenance factor, the quality of the water, and the quality of the equipment. The good news is if you can keep up the maintenance of your water tank, you can actually prolong the life of the water tank. If you actually have your water tank fail and you have a lot of water leakage, the first thing you should do is shut off the water main valve and contact the plumber to either come out replace or repair the water tank. Well, I hope this video got you going in the right direction to keep that hot water flowing and extending the lifespan of the water tank. If this video has helped you out, liking, subscribing, and commenting is always appreciated. See you on the next one.